If you've ever wondered what wheel and tire package matches your driving style best, today we're going to cover the top 5 wheel and tire packages for your truck. Now, to kick things off, we're going to start with the off-road package. Now, a lot of times what we're going to see guys do is run those smaller size wheels with more rubber or more tire, I guess, on those wheels. So a lot of times, one of the most popular ones that we see is going to be Method race wheels or Anthem wheels. Now, Method's been in the game for a long time, making light, fast, strong wheels. It's kind of their motto. And Anthem, kind of the same story there. They've got the Anthem Democracy, where they've just been making wheels, that people want. In these off-road packages, you're going to see like a 17 by 8.5 or 17 by 9, maybe an 18 by 9, but typically no larger than that. And then when it comes to figuring out what size tire you want to run, I would say that a 33 by 12.5 is very common, but that really depends on what application you're running. On the complete opposite end of the spectrum, you have your street truck look. Now, one
popular options I see here is going to be something like the Gear Big Block or a Motometal 962 wrapped in something like the Nitto 420s.
These are just this very sticky, very aggressive looking street tire. Not aggressive in the sense of off-roading, but aggressive in the sense of you feel like you'd see it on an Audi R8 or a Lamborghini or some sort of exotic car. Just with the way they have the tread pattern designed, it's just a very aggressive looking tire. You've got your OEM Plus guys, which typically are going to be running an OEM replica style wheel. So OE replicas are available in your typical sizes that your OE manufacturers would equip your truck with, but they're also available in larger sizes too. So we've seen people go with 24, 26-inch OE replicas, and then again, just wrapping them in pretty much whatever tires you can find, usually whatever's cheap and available on the website. So you can actually sort by price when you're building these packages to see the lowest price option that's going to work with your vehicle. The guys that just drive their truck around every day, it's their daily driver, the basic get-to-work vehicle, maybe a commuter. A lot of times we're seeing people go with something like an Ultra Hunter wheel, something that looks good but isn't going to break the bank, still has some style to it. You don't want to run the OE wheels because it's just not as exciting, so you get something like the Ultra Hunters, and then again you're wrapping it in pretty much whatever tire is available for you at the price that fits your budget. Now, if you put a ton of highway miles on, you might want to pay a little bit more for a tire that lasts a little bit longer, but if this is just your commuter and you're not going that far, or you're not concerned about mileage wear or doing any sort of mild off-roading, you can pretty much select whatever the cheapest option is on the website that you think looks good. At least for number 5, we have your show truck. So this is the guy that goes out. They're going to get the 26 by 14 Archon Lincolns. It's a cast wheel, but it's still proper directional. It's available in multiple finishes. If you get it in the big chrome ones, it looks like a giant forged wheel, but you don't have to quite pay for it. And then typically most guys are throwing on Fury tires only because Fury is one of the few manufacturers of tires that actually makes tires that fit these wheels that aren't giant. So what I mean by that is you can have a 26 by 14 and you can run a thin rubber band tire, as some people will call it. You don't have to run, a 42-inch tire or something like that just to get it to fit on that 26. So again, like I said, it's gonna be like something like an Archon Lincoln wrapped in some Fury tires. It's a very, very show truck look. So if you guys want to check it out for yourself, you can actually browse millions of wheel and tire packages like these at sdwheel.com.